the auto sector is at the receiving end. And that is another reason, the single digit growth, volume growth would continue for the auto sector. And, this magnetic issue is more for EVs. So to that extent, the traditional players are better placed. So, retail investors should tackle this issue in two ways. So one is that, obviously within this auto space, you look at players who are still able to grow in strong double digit. So I already highlighted a couple of names. That is one approach. And second approach, as I mentioned earlier also, at least for next 2 quarters or maybe even 3 quarters, I don't think Nifty and Sensex companies put together can come back to strong double-digit profit growth. It's going to take some time. And that is why, as a research strategy, I have been advocating within the equity asset class to invest only 30 to 40% in the the large cap stocks, Sensex and Nifty stock. So based on the risk profile, one can invest 60 to 70% in the small and mid cap. But again, the investors have to be very cautious. Unless they have the professional skill to identify quality stocks, they should go to mutual fund. If at all they have a ability to identify, they should not compromise on the quality of the management, quality of the balance sheet, quality of the working capital management, and valuation comfort zone. And also the track record of listing in the market. These are the 4 or 5 parameters they should definitely. Why I am stressing this is that, when Sensex and Nifty stocks have this problem of, not able to come back to double-digit earning growth as a category as a whole, you have more than 4,000 small and mid-cap stocks. There are a lot of, unique stories available in terms of the growth, in terms of the deep value, in terms of the investment holdings, in terms of even merger and acquisition possibilities. Because there's a lot of big companies are trying to become bigger companies. So that will also throw the opportunity. They already thrown opportunities on a selective basis. So that should be the approach. And finally, it is very good to see that the government is also very proactive, in coming out with the PLI, encouraging investment in semiconductors and magnetic areas. So I am sure, within a year or so, we should be able to come over this constraint. But till that time, what I highlighted could be the strategy by the retail investors.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.